How do you feel about that choice?
Pretty great.
Today we're going to see how sticky a glue trap can be. Can it hold our weight from the ceiling or the wall? Guys, if you've never seen these glue pest traps, they're a method for catching insects or even some small animals that might be running around your house without permission. They're not the nicest kind of trap, it's true. But the idea is that you have this cardboard with a very sticky surface, and then you can either lay them flat or you can like fold them into a little box, and it looks like an inviting place for some kinds of pests to go hang out inside.
They have sort of a peanut buttery smell which attracts things.
They kind of do, it's true. And then, as Callie is demonstrating, maybe on purpose, maybe not, they're very sticky.
They're so sticky.
In fact, that one has already been stuck to things many times.
I had this one wrapped around my arm earlier. It wasn't a good idea.
It's coming off more easily than like a nice, clean, fresh one, but like it sticks. Like I would never be able to just shake this off. Like I definitely need to use my other hand because not only is it very sticky, but it's like stretchy and a little gooey. So it has flexibility to like move with my hand and stuff. You can see like no matter like as I try and pull away, it's like sticking to my, it doesn't want to let go.
And the longer you're on it, the more it glues down to you. So when you asked me how I felt about that choice.
There we go.
Ow. I think it's pretty safe to say we could hang from the ceiling with these, but they're paper.
It's true.
They rip very easily. That's one thing. Yes, they're sticky, however.
Yeah, the strength of the stickiness is enough, but
doesn't equal
it's how do we hang from them? So my thought is that we can take some of these straps and run them sort of across the pad.
Yes, I like
and
that.
I do think that they will still tear through.
Okay.
But that's kind of why we have to test like how many we need. And I wanted to get straps because I think a cord will tear through very quickly. Whereas a strap, I think we are going to get a little bit more pull before it tears. In fact, we can test that. We can just attach a couple of glue traps, one with a strap, one with a rope, and see how much pull we can get on either one.
Sure.
So we are going to be using the same patch of ceiling where we attached our Band-Aids. In fact, we still have Band-Aids attached there.
And we hung a grace from the ceiling there.
Yeah, they're currently surrounded by shoes, and these things are into the studs, the supports, joists running through the ceiling. So that will make it so we're much less likely to like just pull the drywall off of the studs. So we do have to remove our Band-Aids now. All right, so this can be test strap number 1, and I am going to just tie a knot in it. I'm going to peel the paper off, stick it on like that, and then stick the whole thing to the ceiling. Then we can use our scale and pull down on it and see how much weight it takes before it lets go. We can do the same thing with this one and with our rope and see which one does a better job. This will have more glue surface touching because this is covering more glue, but this is wider and is less likely to tear right through the paper. Okay, we got up to 55 pounds.
Holy cow.
Before that one started giving out.
3 of those could hold me. Just 3.
There's 50. So about 50 pounds is where the glue starts giving out. It does seem like, say, 4, we should easily be able to hang from them. Either one of us.
Let's do 4.
Both of them got to like a full 50 pounds before it started destroying the glue trap. But just because this one I think is going to be easier to hold on to and never tore, we should stick with the straps. You want to go first or me?
I'll try it.
All right.
All right, last time I tried to hang from the ceiling, I sprained my ankle, so.
You're not wearing high heels this time.
Okie dokie.
You're off the ground.
Yay! Oh no, at what cost?
We're losing a lot of paint from the ceiling, but you're off the ground.
4. 4. Oh, there.
2 holds for like half a second, and then the cardboard comes down, hits you in the face. So temporarily.
4 works just fine.
4 works fine, and it's the paint that we lost the first.
The ceiling was the fail point.
It's true. We just tore the paint and the paper right off the drywall.
Now, this is cool, but we've hung from the ceiling from lots of things. I want to try something different now.
What do you got in mind?
I want to stick to the wall like a fly trap. Just stuck.
All right. So I don't want to ruin a large section of the wall paint like this.
Okay.
So I'm thinking we can take just a wood board and screw that into the wall.
Sure.
In the studs, and then we can just attach directly to that. That way it won't ruin the wall, and we won't have to worry about if paint can peel off because it's sticking directly to the surface.
I like it. Let's do this. Oh, good. Yes, good. Like, guys, I know we do strange things. This counts as one of the stranger things we've ever done. I say that a lot, but I'm not wrong. My thing is only one of us is probably going to be able to do it. The other one's just going to have to try and extract their friend off the wall. We need like some superhero music. Dun 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 dun. Go for it.
I didn't think it would come out. I thought I'd kind of stick and then fall off.
So, Callie, you want to go get lunch now? Mark, you want to go get lunch?
Let's go. Wow!
All right, your turn.
Okay. Da 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 da.
Here, Callie, put your arm like over here. Yes.
Sort of.
Ow.
So you're not really hanging all the way, but does it feel like some of your weight is supported? Oh, you are hanging. There you go.
Oh yeah, I'm off the ground.
Feet off the ground.
Ah! The slowest death. My butt is stuck. I'm making this so much worse. Well, I've got glue on my butt. These are new pants.
Guys, we're very happy with how this turned out. If there's anything else you would like to see us try with the glue traps, please let us know. We might want to do some more stuff. This was surprisingly entertaining. How you doing there? Good? Good.
Guys, that's not all. You know we've always got more for you to see. If you like this kind of weird content, make sure to hit that box up at the top to see our other recent videos. We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.